Can you all please take your seats, please? The visit of Begum Khalida Zia is part of our ongoing attempt of engagement with a democratic and multi-party polity in Bangladesh. The discussions covered all areas of mutual interests. They were expansive in nature, both with the Prime Minister and with the External Affairs Minister. They were extremely cordial, and perhaps I can best sum it up by what Begum Zia said at the end of her discussion with the External Affairs Minister. And let me try and sum it up. She said that this marks a new beginning, and let us look forward and not into the rear view mirror. Perhaps that encapsulates the theme of this entire discussion over the last 2 days. She did mention yesterday, and she reiterated today in the meeting with the External Affairs Minister, that the soil of Bangladesh will not be allowed to be used against violent activities or militant or insurgent activities in India. She did reiterate this again today. This issue relates to the discussion that has previously occurred between the two home ministers. Our two governments are in touch on this matter, and through diplomatic channels based on what was agreed to between the two home ministers, and we hope to have a response on that shortly. There was a discussion on maritime security, largely focused on anti-piracy operations. I think both the visiting delegations also, in the meantime, during the course of this dialogue, took time off, and they called on the Foreign Secretary to have discussions with him. And finally, it was agreed that the next round of the trilateral dialogue will be held in Washington, D.C., and the dates and the location, will be held in the United States, and the dates and the location will be worked out through mutually agreed diplomatic channel. I think we have to understand that this is a commercial issue. And while it is our endeavor and hope that these issues are sorted out amicably, any one side in a commercial dispute is free to go and seek a legal remedy if they deem it appropriate that a legal remedy will find a solution to their problem. That's what I have.